Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Paper.io 2 on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store on your Android and your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you're in, tap on search at the bottom right. In the search bar at the top, type in Paper.io 2 and search. Look for this application from Voodoo and then tap on the install or the download button on the page. Once the download is complete, tap on the open button to open up the game. So that's how you easily download and install Paper.io 2 on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.